Del here with some Oberweis Lemonade in the glass container. Previously, we've done white milk and chocolate milk from the same people. And as they say on there, they're not modest. They say simply the best. Oberweis. So, let's see if I can get the cap off there and pour some in. This is definitely different from the previous one, the Santa Cruz.
Is it better?
It's different. I like them both.
What's different about it?
Let me see. I think if you blindfolded me, I could tell them apart. It's got a different taste. The first one had a little bit more tang, a little bit more subtle, a little more adultish, and there's not a, it's just a fine distinction. It's nothing really dramatic, but while the previous one had some organic flavoring thrown in, maybe that had something to do with the tanginess of it.
Do we have to shake this one? You gotta be careful.
Knock yourself out.
Oh yeah,
It doesn't have any ingredients or anything.
it's just the Nevos in there.
Doesn't look like there's any sediment on the bottom. So,
Do you
Which
get a
one
lot?
tastes more natural?
yeah.
Which one tastes more natural?
Again, it's a fine distinction. It's not a major dramatic
What would you rate this
departure.
one? What would you rate this one out of 10?
As I said, lemonade's my favorite drink, so I'd put them both up there. 9 point something. And there's also this business. They're both in glass containers, so the glass kind of.
I guess if you had to pick one, because they're different price points, which one did you prefer?
Well, that's one thing that you brought up a good point. That's one thing we don't generally discuss is prices of things. You just assume that they're pricey. And so price-wise, would I pick the cheaper one?
We don't know which one's cheaper.
I don't know which one's cheaper, but would I pick the cheaper one? I don't know. This one has a nice handle here, especially if you're right-handed. Just this one's got it, and then the other container was a bit smaller and a bit lighter. So I guess it just comes down to like a lot of other things, just personal preference. So I'm real happy to be tasting these. So I'm going to check out for now.